You can't talk your brain out of trauma, but you can train it to feel safe again. And if you're here, I know that you've been trying so hard to hold it together. This is not your fault. Your brain has shifted into survival mode from the very moment that you were betrayed. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. I've created this space for you. I'm a woman and a neuroscientist who knows the pain of betrayal trauma, but I also know that it can be used to foster higher levels of peace than you have ever experienced. Not by forcing yourself to move on, but by gently training your brain into a mode that allows you to tap into that calm. This way, you can really heal your brain. Today, we'll talk about how neurofeedback offers that, a calm, guided path towards regulation, coming out of survival mode and getting into thrival mode. Let's retrain your mind after betrayal. First, I want you to know that if your thoughts feel like a runaway train, that's not a weakness. It's actually your brain's protective mechanism. It's a survival loop. But we don't want you in it long term. Neurofeedback brain training is a science-backed, effective way to gently move your brain out of that survival loop into greater amounts of calm. It's completely non-invasive, and it's actually not about fixing you. It's about allowing you to have the focused calm that you need to be able to show up for yourself. Neurofeedback basically provides a mirror for your brain to look at itself and then to recalibrate to higher levels. Let's imagine your mind like an orchestra. After betrayal, all the instruments are playing out of sync. Now you can think of neurofeedback as that conductor that's bringing that symphony back online so all the instruments can play together again beautifully. This isn't just theory, it's completely measurable. With a QEEG brain map, we can see the areas and levels of dysregulation. You can see how the stress, the betrayal, and the chaos have affected your brain. Then, using neurofeedback, we gently guide your brain out of that betrayed mode into the optimized mode of calm focus, and we measure the data. In this way, we can bring your brain back into balance. All right, let's slow down for just a minute. I want you to really hear this. It's so important. When betrayal strikes, your nervous system goes into the protective mode because where there once was safety, now there is not. This can create a neuro-rigid pattern. You get locked in this loop. It's protecting you, but at the same time, it's completely exhausting. Neurofeedback unlocks that rigidity, and it creates more neuroplasticity, changeability, improvability. It helps to ease your brain out of that constant state of alertness, always scanning for the next shoe to drop. This is what it does. Where you once felt triggered, now it's less explosive. You have that moment to pause and to breathe and to bring yourself back to the present so you don't have to react. Now you can respond. Your sleep begins to improve. Where there once was restless nights of overactive, nonstop thinking, now your brain can come down, it can sleep, it can restore. The mental chatter quiets. Those thoughts of worry, regret, all those what ifs, they begin to die down. You begin to focus again. As your brain strengthens, now you can concentrate on what's important, and those disruptive thoughts that keep entering your mind, they won't do that anymore. This isn't a quick fix. It's a process, not an event, but it allows you to feel calmer, more clear, and more connected over time. The best part is that it creates long-lasting calm and greater ability to feel peace. Okay, I know you might feel crazy, But I want you to know you're not. You're dysregulated. You are stronger than you know. Your brain is doing exactly what it's designed to do to protect you. But it's hyper vigilant, looking for those threats when it can be safe again. Trauma miswires the brain to perceive safety in a different way. If you've ever thought to yourself or said, I should be over this by now. This isn't about time, and this isn't about willpower. It's about brain regulation. It's about nervous system healing. Dysregulation can show up as reactivity, as irritability, as emotional numbing, as escapism, as anxiety, as depression. But it doesn't have to be that way. Those are signals of a deeper problem. Your brain is stuck in surviving. Neurofeedback, it doesn't judge you. It simply reads how your brain is performing, and it helps it to function better so you feel and perform better. It helps your brain remember how to heal itself. You're not crazy, you're dysregulated, and your brain is absolutely capable of healing. This journey is not about forcing yourself to feel better. It's about partnering with your brain instead of fighting against it. Because when you synergize, then healing can happen faster. If you're ready to create that healing space for yourself, but you need support, please go over to drtrishleigh.com. Click the tab that says For Partners. You will learn all about the Sanity After Betrayal program and how brain mapping can help you see how betrayal trauma has impacted your brain and exactly what needs to be done to help you heal. Okay, what's one small moment of peace that you would love to enjoy again? Drop it in the comments and please support other people. Let's make this a supportive place where we can all band together to help each other heal. For me, there's never any shame and there's never any pressure. You can show up in the way that you want. I'll be here for you. On this channel, I'm working tirelessly to develop tools to create awareness for you so you can understand your situation, and then most importantly, so you can feel safe, have some calm in the chaos while you move yourself through this stormy time in your life. The clouds will pass. I want to help you move through them. So stay here with me. Click the video that's coming on the screen now so we can spend more time together. If you're inspired, please subscribe. Go over to Dr. Trish Leigh, check it out. I'll see you in the next video, but remember, try to stay sane. You deserve it.